Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting exactly what you will change. Highlight the range with formulas or press Ctrl plus it to select the whole sheet. Once done, make a quick backup or duplicate the sheet so you can recover formulas if needed. Next, decide your intent. Replace formulas with their current values or clear them entirely. This choice matters because replacing preserves calculated results while removing formulas discards dynamic updates. Choose based on whether you need static numbers or blank cells. You copy the selected formula cells with Ctrl+C and then use Paste Special to replace formulas with values. Choose values only. If you prefer keyboard flow, press Alt, E, S, V, Enter or right-click Paste Special Values. After pasting, inspect a few cells to confirm they now contain static numbers rather than formulas. You can click in the formula bar to verify. Also check dependent totals and charts to ensure they reflect the pasted values. This prevents surprises when you save. You can remove formulas entirely by selecting the target cells and pressing Delete to clear content, but be careful, this erases results too. If you need to find any remaining formulas first, open Find Ctrl+F. Search for equals and then replace or delete those cells. Once done, make sure to recalculate or refresh linked data. If something goes wrong, use Undo or restore the backup you made. Keep that copy until you confirm all sheets and references behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.